How much time should you set aside for a clutter clearing session? I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, the online professional organiser. I can give you the practical tools you need to get free of clutter. What could you do if it weren't for your clutter? Comment below. This is the third short video in my series, The 7 Biggest Clutter Clearing Mistakes and How to Avoid Them. The third mistake is to underestimate how long it will take to clear a drawer or a cupboard or a surface. There's something about clutter clearing that has us think we can do it quicker than we can. And there's nothing worse than running out of time. It leads to what I call the cat in the hat syndrome. Do you remember the cat in the hat? How we got all the household objects out and threw them all over the house, making a massive mess. Of course, in the end, he produces a machine that magically tidies everything up again. But unfortunately, you haven't got one of those. If you underestimate how long it will take to clear a drawer, say, you'll be halfway through getting everything out of the drawer and putting it all over the room in piles when you run out of time. You'll have to shoot out the door to pick the kids up from school or to get to that appointment, leaving all that mess behind. Or you'll hear your partner's key in the lock and know that they're going to be horrified when they come back to an even bigger mess than the one they left. However long you think it'll take to clear an area, assume it will take longer than that. Look, if you get it done in less time than you set aside, great! You can congratulate yourself on a job well done and get something else done with the extra time. Have you ever run out of time and ended up in an even bigger mess than the one you started in? Comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you tomorrow for clutter clearing mistake number 4.